In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your privacy and security by optimizing the settings in the Brave browser. Let's dive in and walk through these adjustments to make sure your browsing experience is as secure and private as possible. To start, open up the Brave browser. Once you have it open, navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Settings option. This is where we'll begin tailoring your privacy settings. On the left side of your Settings menu, you'll notice a section titled Shields. Click on this as it holds the majority of the privacy and security adjustments we'll be making. When you're under the Shields section, you'll see a header for trackers and ads blocking. For robust privacy, set this to Aggressive. This adjustment will enhance the blocking of intrusive ads and trackers that many websites use to follow your online activity. Next up, we're going to address connection security. Look for the option labeled Upgrade Connections to HTTPS. When you select this, you should set it to Strict. This setting ensures that Brave will automatically upgrade your connections to HTTPS whenever possible, enhancing the security of your data as it travels across the internet. Now, let's turn our attention to fingerprinting. You'll want to turn on the option to block fingerprinting. This feature stops websites from being able to track your device information as a unique identifier, which can greatly increase your privacy. For those seeking maximum blocking capabilities, there's an option to block scripts. While enabling this can provide more privacy, be cautious as it may break some websites and cause them to malfunction. Only turn this on if you are comfortable with potentially strict blocking and the consequences it may entail. Moving on to cookies, under the Block Cookies section, choose the option to block third-party cookies. This setting strikes the best balance between privacy and website functionality by preventing third parties from tracking your online behavior without disrupting your browsing experience. For an added layer of privacy, consider turning on the feature that clears your data when closing a site. This will ensure that Brave automatically deletes cookies and data associated with the site once you leave, striking a further blow to invasive tracking techniques. Content filtering is another powerful tool at your disposal. By enabling custom filters, you have the option to block regional annoyances like cookie banners and specific trackers that you find unnecessary during your browsing. Lastly, let's tackle social media blocking. It's advised to turn off all options related to social media, such as Facebook logins or posts, Twitter embeds, and LinkedIn posts. Disabling these features prevents their trackers from loading on other sites, thereby securing your data from external social media platforms. By following these recommendations in your Brave browser settings, you'll significantly enhance your online security and privacy, enabling a safer and more private browsing experience.